How does normalize home run rates in baseball pitching? Imagine trying to judge a pitcher's skill by how many home runs they give up, but then realizing some of those home runs are just luck or weather. That's where xFIP comes in. It's a tool that helps us see past those random factors. Stands for Expected Fielding Independent Pitching. It's designed to give a clearer picture of a pitcher's true ability by adjusting for home run luck. Instead of just counting how many home runs a pitcher allows, it estimates how many they should have allowed based on the league's average rate of home runs per fly ball. This way, if a pitcher had a bad year with lots of home runs, xFIP adjusts that number downward to reflected what's more likely to happen over time. The way it works is pretty straightforward. It starts with the same basic stats as FIP, which looks at strikeouts, walks, and hit batters, things a pitcher can control. But instead of using the actual home runs allowed, xFIP takes the number of fly balls the pitcher gave up and multiplies it by the league's average home run rate for that season. This gives an expected number of home runs, smoothing out the randomness. So if a pitcher had an unusually high or low home run rate, xFIP pulls that number toward the league average, making their performance look more consistent. This adjustment is super helpful because it makes comparing pitchers across different seasons, ballparks, and weather conditions fairer. For example, a pitcher who pitches in a ballpark that suppresses home runs might look worse using traditional stats, but accounts for that by normalizing the home run rate. It also helps identify pitchers who might have been unlucky or lucky with home runs. If a pitcher's actual home run rate is much higher than the expected rate, it suggests they might bounce back. Conversely, if it's lower, they might regress. In the world of advanced sabermetrics, is a favorite because it focuses on what a pitcher can control. It's used in player evaluations, fantasy baseball, and scouting to get a better sense of true pitching talent. While traditional stats like earned run average can be skewed by defense or luck, strips those away and highlights the pitcher's real skill. So, by normalizing home run rates, xFIP helps us see who's genuinely effective on the mound and who might just have had some good or bad luck.